Let's explore the question, why should we use Docker? Here are 5 key benefits of Docker for modern development. Benefit number 1 is portability. Docker allows you to run your application anywhere. This means your application works consistently across development, testing, and production environments. Benefit number 2 is consistency. Docker provides the same environment for all team members, eliminating the "it works on my machine" problems. Everyone is working with the same setup. Benefit number 3 is efficiency. Docker uses lightweight containers that use fewer resources than traditional virtual machines. This makes your applications more efficient. Benefit number 4 is scalability. Docker enables easy scaling by allowing you to quickly spin up or down containers based on the demand. So, you can easily manage the load on your application. Benefit number 5 is isolation. Docker provides secure separation, ensuring that applications run independently without interfering with each other. This enhances the security and stability of your applications. In summary, here are the 5 key benefits of Docker. Portability, meaning you can run your application anywhere. Consistency, providing the same environment for everyone. Efficiency with lightweight containers. Scalability, offering easy scaling. And isolation for secure separation. Docker simplifies modern development and deployment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.